Okay, here we are at 9702 Densmore, combination line, 6-inch. We're entering to the outside point here at 9702. Beginning of the belly, 12 foot there. Holding debris, you can see them. And so we're at 19 foot. So we got a 6 foot belly. We start to come out of it a little bit here. And already we see lots of roots, left side, right side of pipe. Water is the 6 o'clock position. Let's just have a look, see. They're lining the walls, but they're not blocking it. We're actually pushing the debris. And we're still in a belly, shouldn't be holding any water. Sometimes though, if we get if there's a root blockage that's 20 feet up here or something like that, it'll act like a dam and start letting some of that water out. Okay, now these roots have grown back, but still, again, the 6 o'clock position is where the water is. So this is probably more like a cat door, pet door, because pass through. Like so. What is that? I don't even know what that thing is. You know what? I think it's tampon or toilet paper or something like that that's caught on something at the top. Just looks thick right there. That's a crystal clear image, and I don't know. We're at 40 feet from this point, so we're just getting up to the driveway. Single root, no big deal. More roots, not super bad. Again, I just push some toilet paper, and you can see the water start running like it's a river to get rid of. We just couldn't see a second ago, but we pushed our way through up here. You can see heavy roots on the right and left side of the pipe. Right here is where the toilet paper was stopped up and was holding that water in, and then we've got major roots that we're going to pass through right here. Through the valley, the center of them. And they're tough. I can feel them on the push rod of this camera. And no, this is not good at all. So only you can see a gap at the top. It's 11 o'clock position. Then you see barely, probably less than a half an inch at the bottom that water just went through. That hopefully this camera can get through this spot. 1-inch camera. And the answer is no. Can't get through it. Usually this is the one that stops up the line. Ooh, we cut it pretty close this time, didn't we? Right amount of toilet paper or something on that. Well, we could try to jet it out. Might have to actually do a snake through, get a hole, and then to get the jetter through, or we'll bounce off that. Anyway, so concludes this video of the before. I'm going to be pulling it back fairly fast right now because we just saw roots on the sides, roots here or there, but we got big root clog at 72 foot.